The third week of Chad Daybell's trial began with never-before-seen video from his arrest and testimony from 4 law enforcement members. Thanks for being here at 4. I'm Joe Paris. We continue to follow this out of the Ada County Courthouse. Chad Daybell, accused of murder and conspiracy in the deaths of his 2 current wife's children, J.J. Vallow and Tylee Ryan, as well as his first wife, Tammy Daybell. And our Morgan Romero is outside the courthouse with what happened during trial today. Morgan, I've been following your tweets this afternoon. Sound like a busy day in court.
Yeah, it was a busy day. 4 witnesses were called, Joe, and for the first time, jurors and the public saw video of Chad Daybell in the back of a Rexburg police patrol car from June 9th, 2020, the day that officers found the remains of JJ and Tylee on his property. Rexburg Police Detective Eric Wheeler testified that while law enforcement searched Chad's property, Chad went to his daughter Emma's house, kitty corner to his, for up to an hour and a half. When he left, Wheeler says he sped away from his daughter's house, and in Wheeler's experience, he says that could be indicative of guilt. After Daybell was pulled over, officers told him a body was found on his property and then took him into custody. In the patrol car video, Emma arrives to talk with her father. She's emotional as they discuss money and financial obligations while Daybell's away.
Well, it sounds like you're not going to be out.
Right. Yeah, I'm not coming back.
Fremont County Sheriff's Lieutenant Joseph Powell testified this afternoon about why he reopened an investigation into the death of Chad's wife, Tammy Daybell. Her death certificate originally said she died from natural causes and probable heart issues. Police in Gilbert, Arizona told Powell Daybell was associated with Lori and her brother, Alex Cox, who were at that time under investigation for a murder and attempted murder there. Powell said that, coupled with Tammy's medical records showing she was healthy and the family not wanting an autopsy, led to him asking a judge for a warrant to exhume her body in Utah, where it was buried. But Chad's attorney, John Pryor, showed jurors the police report from Tammy's death, in which Chad tells an officer Tammy was vomiting and had coughing and shaking fits before she died.
You had the information, and you're the one who took that information and went in front of a judge and got an order to dig Tammy Daybell up.
Yes.
And you did it without telling the children that they're digging their mother out of the ground. Is that right?
Yes.
And you didn't take into consideration the seizures, did you?
No.
You didn't take into consideration the shaking, did you?
No.
You didn't take into consideration the anemia, did you?
No.
You didn't take in any of the medical information other than you told the judge there's no medical history here. That's what you told the judge, isn't it?
Off the medical records, yes.
Off the medical records, right?
Yes.
You didn't look at anything else, right?
No.
You didn't look at the certificate of death that says pulmonary edema, heart issues, did you?
I did not see that, no.
You didn't see it or you didn't look?
I didn't look.
Trial ended about 45 minutes ago with questioning of an FBI tactical specialist. She was talking about all the different phone numbers and aliases involved in this case and discussing her research and how she linked those phone numbers to Alex Cox, Lori Vallow, and Chad Daybell. So tomorrow we will pick up with her testimony in the morning. Joe?
All right. Morgan will be following your reports now from the Ada County Courthouse. And of course, there is going to be a lot of coverage and a lot of questions over the next several weeks. So we will have this all at ktvb.com. Thank you, Morgan. And I just want to say there will be an opportunity for the public to honor J.J. Vallow, Tylee Ryan, and Kay Woodcock. J.J.'s grandma says it will be next Saturday, April 27th. And there will be a visitation before the service from 11 in the morning until 1 that afternoon. The service will go from 1 to 2, and this will be at the Colonial Theater in Idaho Falls. Seating will be a first come, first served basis.